Hello everyone, welcome to Commands of the Day with Blake Generation, where I show you uncut videos of Termux Commands. So today the first command is the ls command. The ls command is used to list files. If you type the ls command on its own, it shows you the files in that directory. If you type ls with the tag A, it shows you both the hidden files and those which are visible. If you type ls with the tag L, it shows you more information about those files. You can also combine arguments. For example, the last command shows you all the list of hidden commands and more information about those commands. You can also type ls with followed by the directory name to list files in that particular directory. You can also combine all the commands I've told you. So let's go to the next command, which is the cd command or the change directory command. This command is used to change from one directory to another. By simply typing cd, we will navigate to the home directory. If you type cd followed by the directory name, you will navigate to that directory. Typing cd with double dots, you will navigate to the parent directory. You can also type cd with a single dot to navigate to the parent directory. Of course, that is useless. You can also navigate to hidden directories using the cd command. You can also type cd followed by double dashes to show the last navigated directory. The next command is the mkdir command or make directory command. You can use this command to make new directories on the fly. As you can see, we are already creating a new directory, and the directory has been created. So we can list more, we can find more information about the directory by using the ls command followed by the tag L and the directory name. And we can also navigate to that directory using the cd command I told you earlier. And as you can see, we are now in the directory, and we can proceed to create more files, particularly text files, by using the touch command. As you can see, it allows you to pass many arguments, which are the file names that we want to create. As you can see, those files have been already created. You can create as many files as you like, and the command will just work as expected. As you can see, the files have been created. They are there. So let's move to the next command, which is the rm command or the remove command, which is used to remove files. So just passing the file name, it will remove the file. And you can also add some more options and arguments. For example, there's the tag F for false, and there's the tag R for remove. So sometimes rm cannot delete directories with contents, but in order to do that, you have to enter tag rf, which simply means force remove that particular directory in question. But however, you must be careful when using the rm command, because using this command you can trash the whole system. There is the rmd command, which is used for removing directories. As you can see, we are removing the directories that we had previously created, or the directories that I had previously created. So just using tag R to delete a directory works only if the directory is empty, but it doesn't work if the directory is files. So guys, this concludes the video. Please subscribe to my channel in order to receive more videos like this one. Your subscriptions really mean the world to me. And don't forget to comment in the comment section below and tell me what are your favorite commands in Termux. And also please like this video and share with your friends. This is Black Generation signing out. Bye bye.